Alright, hello everybody. Today, we're at the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Beckley, West Virginia, and we're going to do a hotel review of room 517. The hallways look pretty nice. They're a little dim though, so let's go in. Okay, so here's the room. Alright, so we'll start out right here. You got your fire map, and it's a very simple hotel. Limited services, just one corridor, rooms on either side. Overall, front door looks really nice. For security, you have latch lock, do not disturb sign, latch, deadbolt, latch lock, and a peephole. Okay, so here's what you come walking. I got 2 queen bedrooms. Here's the front corridor. Overall, the door is in really good shape. Now let's check out our closets. Very spacious closet. There's a luggage rack. I took it luggage rack. I took it out to put it over there. So, got plenty of hangers, shelf, iron and ironing board. I just checked in here, so you're just getting first impression. I haven't even looked around really. All right, so the bathrooms at these older Fairfields are usually pretty tight, but it's still pretty nice. Oh boy, look at this. Door does not close. That's cool. So you come in here. It's an adequate bathroom. Great lighting. Plenty of mirrors. You got your toilet and your shower with a very attractive black backsplash. Let's go check out the sink. A little bit of crack in it, but it's fine. Has your in-room coffee. A little wet there. I don't know if you can see it on camera. There's a little wetness there. Got your hair dryer. Kleenex box. Overall, floor looks fine. It's a little older, but it's still in wonderful condition. I guess it works, so they just put it on top there. Linens, which seem high quality. Wallpaper is nice. Alright, toilet overall looks clean. Looks a little old though. Back there's not in the greatest shape, but it's alright. Got your curved shower rod. A little bit old. You know, it's funny, I'm on the top floor and there's like water damage. I guess it's because people splash it up. Bathtub looks fine. I'm not going to show the pressure because I don't want my phone to get all wet. Overall, it looks really nice. Shower curtain looks clean. Bathtub looks clean as always. So, bathroom definitely deserves a pass. I just don't really like how you can't close it. So as we come in, we have this little thing, which contains an ice bucket, microwave, which seems clean, one mini fridge, seems clean. It's just getting a little worn. It's a little bit of an older Fairfield. You got, whoa, what happened back here? Okay, well, besides that, the wall looks pretty nice. 2 beds. Smoke detector. This one has a smoke detector, unlike a particular hotel I stayed at in the past. Comfort Inn. Oh well. Alright. Drawers are all fine. Newer TV. Channel guide, remote, which is designed so it's easy to clean. Got your bag holder and a chair. 2 beds. Let's take a look here. Chairs in all nice in shape. Got your desk lamp with a power outlet on it, which is always good. You have a nice chair over here with another light, if I can figure out how to turn it on. Oh boy. Oh, little switch there. overall wall looks in pretty good shape. Here's the view out the window, which you're looking into the back of the Outback Steakhouse and McDonald's and Chick-fil-A. Here you got your automatic climate control, which I'm gonna turn down because it's getting really cold. I mean hot. Sorry, I've had a long day. You got your nice mirror paintings, so let's take a look at one of these beds. Beds I've already checked, completely spotless. Pillows are all nice and fine, high quality. Mattress was in great condition. Got your phone, your Bible, and your alarm clock. So overall, this hotel definitely gets a big pass. Very clean. It's just very good. I would definitely I recommend this if you're traveling through or near Beckley. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tour. I'm exhausted, so I guess all I have to say now is that's it.